In a sunlit desert, a modular off-road beast unfolds its skeletal frame and reveals a blueprint for rapid adaptation. Engineers swap suspensions, widen tracks, and mount solar wings that harvest energy while the vehicle conquers dunes. A navigator with a glove-like cockpit overlays streams of data guiding grip, heat, and battery health in real time. The crew tests a folding ramp that converts a dune bash into a stable launch pad for emergency rescues. When night falls, the machine glows softly with bioluminescent panels, reminding the world that extreme does not mean reckless.